Welcome. In this module, we will talk about the Cybersecurity Maturity Matrix Layer 5 monitored. Let's take a look. As you remember, the Cybersecurity Maturity Matrix has been designed so that the security model is made available, which is a proactive, structured, and sequential model, and it is designed to categorize security so that there is a framework which is implemented for implementing a cybersecurity program in an organized and a structured manner, which can be categorized and is consistent as well. And this is layer 5 of the Cybersecurity Maturity Matrix, which we are talking about. So what are the controls in Cybersecurity Maturity Matrix layer 5? A CM solution, Security Information and Event Management solution for security event detection and response, a data loss prevention solution, DLP, critical data encryption, and then a Security Operations Center implementation or a SOC implementation. So first of all, the Security Information and Event Management solution for security event detection should be implemented. So this is where we collect all the security logs from all these security devices, and we perform, with the help of dashboards, we can view the alerts, we can drill down on the security alerts and the events, and also the CM solution helps us to perform root cause analysis while we're trying to find out more detail about a security event, and it also allows us to do correlation. So this is a platform. It's a solution. A CM solution is a solution which will collect all the logs and then help you to analyze those logs with the help of correlation, root cause analysis, and it'll give you automated dashboards and will build up for you a visibility of what's really happening in your IT network. And the leading CM solutions are, for example, Logarithm, IBM QRadar, Splunk, and there's an open source one, Elasticsearch as well. 5.2 Data Loss Prevention. So now that we are going up in our security maturity matrix, we need to start focusing on protecting intellectual property and protecting confidential data as well. Confidentiality, integrity, availability are the three pillars of cybersecurity or information security. And we're talking about confidentiality and integrity over here. So with the help of DLP, we are classifying, providing visibility and control of the actual data, which is the asset of the organization. So it could be confidential data. And we're trying to implement monitoring and blocking of data leakage and data exfiltration, data going out in an unauthorized manner. And there is both network DLP and system DLP agents which are available. 5.3 Critical Data Encryption. So now we're protecting the intellectual property and confidential information, and confidentiality and integrity of data is really what we're talking about here. We're trying to encrypt data at rest, in transit, and in use as well. And this specifically consists of encrypting laptop hard disk data, because laptops can be stolen and the thief may get all the data from the hard disk, and encrypting the removable media data. So, the USB sticks and other removable media which can store data, they must be encrypted as well. 5.4 is Security Operations Center, SOC implementation. So the SOC is the location, or it's just like a NOC, a Network Operations Center, which provides visibility and it brings a discipline to the security operations. So after implementation of the first 4 layers, it's time to consolidate the security operations with people, process, and technology or tools. And this is similar to a NOC, but for security purposes, so that we can implement the security operations in a particular location and have visibility, monitoring, incident response. And the starting point is really the Security Information Event Management solution, or the CM solution. But the industry really has been implementing, whenever we talk about a SOC, it just goes out and buys a CM solution, for example, Logarithm or Splunk or any other CM solution. But that is really not the entire SOC, because SOC consists of people, process, and technology, and it's an entire activity encompassing all of these people, process, and technology elements. That's all that we have for this module. Thank you.